Alam mo ba, may susi sa Bible na mas makapangyarihan pa kaysa pag-hustle? At pag nakuha mo to, blessings will literally find you. It's not just about seeking God's kingdom. It's also about understanding His righteousness. Sabi ni Jesus sa Matthew 6:33, "Seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." Sa Greek, yung righteousness ay dikaiosune. Ang hirap i-pronounce. Ibig sabihin, being right standing with God. Ibig sabihin, hindi na kailangang mag-prove o mag-please para pagpalain ka. Because of Jesus, you're already approved and positioned for increase. Grace makes you righteous, and righteousness gives you access to everything the kingdom owns. So, my friend, when you know you're right with God, you'll stop chasing and start receiving. So today, stand tall in your divine position. Declare this with faith. I'm righteous by grace. That's why favor follows me. Comment mo dyan, my friend, I'm positioned for increase. Like, subscribe, and share this video para mas maraming pang Pilipino matuto na yumaman God's way. God bless. Blessed to be a blessing.